Today I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail's default text style. This is a simple but powerful way to ensure every email you compose uses the font, size, and color you prefer, saving you time and keeping your messages consistent. First, open a web browser and head over to mail.google.com. Once you're there, sign into your Gmail account by entering your email address and clicking Next, then type in your password and click Next again. This will bring you to your Gmail inbox where we can begin adjusting your settings. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where all of Gmail's customization options live. From the drop-down that appears, select See All Settings to open the full configuration panel. You should land on the General tab by default, but if you don't, make sure you're there. This tab contains most of the basic settings for how Gmail looks and behaves. Scroll down until you find a section labeled Default Text Style. This is where you'll be able to customize the appearance of your outgoing emails. In the default text style area, you'll see controls for font type, size, and color. Use these to adjust your text to match your preferences. Maybe you prefer a cleaner sans serif font, a slightly larger size for readability, or a specific color that aligns with your brand. Take a moment to play around with the options and preview how the text looks in the sample area provided. Once you're happy with your choices, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This locks in your new default text style, so every email you compose from this point forward will automatically use these settings. To make sure everything worked, click the Compose button to start a new email. You should see your new default text style applied right away in the composing window. If it looks good, you're all set. Simply close the settings panel by clicking the X or navigating back to your inbox. If you're using a shared or public device, it's a good idea to log out when you're done. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Log Out to ensure your account stays secure. And that's it. You've successfully changed Gmail's default text style to suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.